Everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rashana. I am back with another video. Today is going to be an unboxing video with Sunber hair. I'm pretty sure you guys have all heard of Sunber hair. If you haven't, let me fill you in. Sunber hair is a virgin hair company, and they basically style all types of hair. They sell wigs, bundles, frontals, all that good stuff. And I have some goodies from Sunber here right now to unbox with you guys, and I'm super excited too because I've had Sunber hair once before and I had their straight hair. It was so soft and so bomb, so I'm so excited to open this with you guys and show you guys what I got. So what I ordered was body wave hair. So it's body wave hair. I believe it's 3 bundles and a frontal. So I'm ready to open this with you guys, but before we get into the unboxing video, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Also, all my social media will be on the screen as well as in the description box down below, on my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. Shout out to Sunber here for sponsoring this video. Everything about them will be in the description box down below, so make sure you guys go check that out. And let's get into the unboxing video. Okay, so this is what the box first looks like. As you guys can see, it just says Sunber hair. Then on the back, it just has the hair care instructions, which is super helpful. So now I'm gonna go ahead and open the box, and then this is what it looks like inside. So let's see. It has the receipt of what I have. So I have 3 bundles of 22 inches and an 18-inch frontal. I'm too excited right now. It's gonna be too pretty. It's gonna be too amazing. And then it also comes with a weaving cap, which is helpful for you guys when you try to make a wig, or if you just, you know, want to protect your hair or just get an extra wig cap. Super helpful. So now let's go into the bundles. Oh my god, that looks so good. The wave pattern is on point. Look at that at the bottom, you guys. So these are supposed to be all 22 inches. It's Peruvian body wave hair, and it's supposed to be 22 inches, as you guys can see. So these are my 3 bundles. And last but not least, we have the frontal, and it's 18 inches, and it's also Peruvian as well. So we're gonna open up one of the bundles first, and this is what it looks like. Y'all, just look at that. It just, oh my god, it feels so soft, you guys. Like, look at that. Oh, I'm too excited to try Sunber hair. So okay, first of all, there's no smell, which is amazing because I hate hair that comes with a smell. It just smells like regular hair. It smells really good, and it feels, oh my god, I can do this all day long, y'all. This feels so good. Like, yes, I've heard Sunber hair has been amazing, and like I said before, I tried Sunber hair once before. One of my favorite hairs, and you know, I just thought maybe because I had the straight hair that it feels like that, because all straight hair should be silky and feel good. But now I have the body wave, and it's the same quality, you guys. It's so good. So like I said, no smell. Now let's see if it's shedding. As you guys can see, when I run my hands through it, it makes the body wave hair kind of spread out, but there's no shedding from it. I'm literally like pulling. There's no shedding. No shedding. Guys, I'm in love with this hair. It just feels so good, and it's super bouncy. That's how you guys know it's good hair. When you can shake the hair and it's bouncing and looking all good, that's some good hair. Look at that, y'all. I'm loving this hair right now. But yes, it's not shedding, and the ends look like a good amount of thick. Like, they don't look like they're thinning towards the ends, so that's good as well. If you guys want to look at the weft, let's try to get that to focus. Yeah, it's pretty thick. And this is one of the bundles, you guys. Oh, this feels so soft. I can't even. All right, let's move on to the frontal. And I'm excited about the frontal because if it's pre-plucked like the one I had before, like I said previously, I had straight hair from Sunber hair before, and it was like, till this day, the best pre-plucked frontal I've ever seen in my life. Like, I swear. So if this one is as pre-plucked, I'm about to be in heaven. I'll insert a picture of the straight hair frontal and just how beautifully pre-plucked it was. So if this one is just nearly as good, I'm going to be super excited. Da-da-da! The moment of truth. Yes, it is super pre-plucked. Let me tell you guys something. The frontal being pre-plucked literally makes or break how it's gonna look on you. So let me just show you guys. Like, that is super pre-plucked. The hairline starts up here, guys. It starts up here. So to know that it's pre-plucked and this is where the hair starts, it's gonna look so natural. Oh my god, yes. And then they also have some pre-made baby hair. Yes, they have pre-made baby hair, you guys. So Sunber Hair definitely knows what they're doing with their frontals. If anything, you should definitely buy their frontal. Alright, so let's see the quality of it now. I'm gonna try to like fold it back up. Oh my god, the frontal feels just as good as the bundle. Let me see which feels bundle. Actually, the bundle feels actually a little more silkier than the frontal. But don't get me wrong, the frontal feels hella silky, but the bundle, I think, maybe because it's more hair put together probably, but the bundle feels a little more softer. But the frontal is super soft as well, and like I said, pre-plucked to the gods. And let's see if it's shedding. Okay, I barely got any shedding, like little to no shedding, so it's barely shedding. I did get like 1 or 2 strands though. But I mean, it's a frontal. It's connected to hair, which is the lace, where if you pull it hard enough, I mean, it should come off. So it makes sense. But so far, I'm loving this. And it just feels so soft, y'all. Like, before I even started doing hair reviews, I always knew about Sunber Hair. Like 2+ years ago, I was in their DMs literally. So they definitely always been one of the companies that's been up there when it comes to hair. It's just so soft, guys. I cannot. So if you guys want me to open this so you guys can get a better look at everything, we can definitely do that as well. Okay, boom, we got it. And then over here it says unprocessed 100% virgin hair, which this hair is definitely unprocessed because it feels amazing. All right, so when you open up the bundle, they just have this wrapped around it. And I'm trying to figure out, I don't have a scissors next to me right now. Okay, you could just slide it off because this hair is that soft. Okay, it slides right out. And then last but not least, they have a rubber band, which also is going to slide right out. Yep. See, that's good hair. No knots, no shedding from that either. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and unravel the bundle for you guys. I'm going to move over so you guys can get a little more view from it. The bundle feels so soft, y'all. But anyways, let's unravel it. One thing about unraveling soft hair, it's literally like slipping out my hands right now. So okay, so I'm trying to unravel it without making a mess everywhere. So basically this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's doubled right now, and it's pretty thick if you ask me, because I've seen some companies here, when you put it together, when you double the track, literally you can see through it. So the fact that this is pretty thick, that's pretty good. And the sewing is very neat as well. Let me show you guys that up close. As you guys can see, I definitely do recommend Sunber Hair. As well, as I said before, the hair is super soft, it's thick, and it's just overall good hair. Like it is. So overall, guys, I definitely do recommend Sunber Hair. Everything about them will be in the description box down below. The exact link to the frontal and bundle set that I got, as well as any promotions that they're having currently. I cannot wait to put this on my head. I'm gonna have about 2 more videos coming with this same hair, just in case you guys want to see the updated process throughout Sunber Hair. So I will definitely have that as well, so stay tuned for it. And overall, the hair is just so soft, because I've done lots of hair reviews. If you go on my channel, you'll see I've done lots of hair reviews, and I've never done an unboxing video. So this is my very first unboxing video, and you know, I usually do this anyways off camera when I get new hair. I'm kind of excited that I can show you guys the process of, you know, figuring out if it's good hair or not. And this is definitely some good hair. So make sure you guys go check out Sunber hair. Everything about them will be again in the description box down below. And I love you if you watch till the end. I will see you guys in my next video.